Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar and I welcome you to for your online classes. Now student, in our previous lecture I explain you chapter number 5. This is the revision part. Is it okay? Now this is the number 2 revision. In the first what we done, I explain you this chapter again. Is it clear? Now I explain you each and everything whatever given in this chapter. After that, in this lecture, first we complete this book exercise. Why we again do this thing? Because some student not completed their book exercise also. Okay, so first we complete this thing and after that we start our writing work. Now, and look student, when you start anything or when you start your teaching or your study, first you keep your textbook and notebook both thing with you. Is it okay? Because this is the revision part. So keep your textbook with you and open the page number 3030. This is the book exercise related to chapter number 5. Is it okay? Why we do this thing again? Because some students, those are not completed this book exercise, at least they have to complete this thing. Is it okay? Now, question number A. Tick, write the correct option. This is the given in the page number 30. One number, what is given? Cereal are rich in. Means what we get from the cereals? A. Student, three options given here: protein, vitamins and carbohydrate. So what we get from the cereals? Protein, vitamins or carbohydrate. What we get from the cereals? Cereal means food grains: wheat, rice, corn, oat. These are the food grains. We also call this food item cereals. Also, this is the another name of this food items. So what we get? We get carbohydrate. Tick this option. Carbohydrates from the cereals. Now, number 2. Read the sentence number 2. Which one is a dry fruits? Means three names given here. You have to select one. That is the dry fruit. What is the option? Option number A, orange, almond, banana. So which is the correct option? B. Almond is a dry fruit. Now, rest of two option is orange and banana. These are the fruits. Now, 3 number. Which spice is used to treat cold and cough? Means which thing? 3 options given: clove, garlic and turmeric. So for the treatment of the cough and cold, which thing we have to use? Cloves means long, garlic and turmeric. So which is the correct option? Garlic, lahsun. We use garlic for the treatment of cough and cold. So take this option, sir. Okay. Now, what is given on the number 4? Which one is called the queen of beverages? Okay. A. Coffee. B. Tea. C. Cocoa. Means which one is called the queen of beverages? Coffee, tea and cocoa. Now look here student. Coffee, these are the beans. Now the cocoa, we get coffee from the cocoa. Now the correct option is option number B. So the tea is the queen of the beverages. Is it okay? Now the 5 number. Pesticides and insecticides keep plants safe from which thing? Why we use this thing, pesticides and insecticides? To prevent insects. Those are the harmful for the crops and small plants. So remove them. We have to use this thing. So option number A, fungi, B, insects, and C, earthworms. So take the option number B. We use insecticides and pesticides to remove insects. Okay. This is the question number 8. Student, we once again revise this thing. What is given in the number B? Circle the correct words. What is given in the number 1? Pulses are rich in. 2 options given. Select one. Carbohydrates, proteins. Means what we get from the pulses. Simple meaning of this sentence. Carbohydrates are protein. 2 options given. Carbohydrates are protein. What we get from the pulses? We get protein from the pulses. So tick the option number this 2, protein. Now second sentence. What is given in the second sentence? Again here 2 options given. Select one and tick that. Children oblique adults need a lots of protein. Means which types of people require more protein? Children means small kids and adults. Those are the aged person. So which is the correct option? Children. Now the second is adults. We pick this children because they are in their growing stage. So their body required more proteins. Is it clear? In the explanation part I already explained you this thing. Now next, turmeric is antiseptic or antibiotic? Antiseptic oblique antibiotic. Antibiotic. So what is the correct option? We use turmeric as a antiseptic. Okay. Now what is given in the number 4? Coffee and cocoa are obtained from. 2 options given. Seeds oblique leaves. We get coffee from the coffee beans. The beans are the seeds. So take the option number first, seeds, SEEDS, seeds. Now number 5. What is given on the number 5? Fruits oblique crops are grown in orchard. Fruits and crop. Look here students. Crops are growing in the field. I already explained you how the farmer growing crops. Now the fruits, the farmer growing in the orchard. Is it okay? Now this is the number A and number B. Once again I revise for you. Question number A, cereal are rich in. What we get from the cereals? We get carbohydrate from the cereals. Now what is given in the number 2? Which one is a dry fruit? Almond is a dry fruit. Now the third number, which spice is used to treat cold and cough? Garlic we use. Now the number 4, which one is called the queen of the beverages? Tea is the queen of the beverages. Now the fifth number, Pesticides and insecticides keeps plants safe from insects. Now, here two words given. You have to read the sentence carefully and choose one which is the correct. Okay. Now the first, we get pulses are rich in protein. Number 2, children need a lot of protein. Number 3, turmeric is an antiseptic. Now the number 4, coffee and cocoa are obtained from seeds. Now the number 5, fruits are grown in the object. This is the question number A and B. Now the number C. Write two examples of each of the following. What is given in the number 1? Roots as vegetable. And 2 lines given here. Means roots as vegetable means, I explain you now, human beings use each and every part of the different plants as a food item. So write the name of that 2 plants. First is radish. Now the number 2 is carrot. Why we use only root of this plant? Because the essential nutrient stored in the root of this plant. And human beings use only root of this plant. Why? Because we are very clever. We use important thing only. And rest of the part we throw them. फेंक देते हैं हम. Now number 2. Stem as vegetable. Means we use only stem of these plants. So write the name of that plant. That is sugar cane. Sugar cane. Now the number 2. That is potato. Okay. Sugar cane and potato. Now the number 3, leaves as vegetable. Means we use only leaves of this plant as a vegetable. The first name is spinach. Now the next is cabbage. Now the number 4, fruits as vegetable. Write the name. Tomato. Tomato is a fruit but we use as a vegetable. That is finger. These are the fruits but we use as a vegetable. Okay. This is the question number C. Look here student, question number D. what is given in this question? Write the names of 5 juicy fruits and 5 dry fruits. So this is once again I write for you. One side what is given? A heading also given here, juicy fruits and dry fruits. So start writing the name of the fruit and dry fruit. Juicy fruits, and this side dry fruits. Right, what we write here? Mango, number 2, orange, number 3, lemon. Now, number 4, grapes. Number 5, strawberry. If you want to write any other name, so you have to write here. Okay? It depend on you. But learn the spelling of that fruit. Okay? If you want to write mango, to learn this spelling. Orange also, lemon, grapes, strawberry, watermelon, muskmelon, pineapple. As you wish. If you want to write the name, first you learn the spelling of that fruit. Now dry fruit. First, almond. Okay. Now number 2, name of the dry fruit. We already completed this thing, but once again we revise it. Walnut. What we write here? Number 3. This question already given in the page number 30. Okay. See in the book. Number 4, cashew. Now, what we wrote in the number 4? See in your textbook. Resin and coconut also. These are the dry fruits. Okay. Look here student, we once again complete the book exercise. Why I do here again for you? Because some student not completed their textbook. If some student missing that thing, so once again in the revision part we completed this thing. Okay. So when you start your study or when you watching video, to keep your textbook and notebook both things with you. Now after that we start our writing part. That is related to chapter number 5 and this is the revision number 2. Now in the textbook We completed all the thing. Now start in the homework section. This is the writing work of chapter number 5. This is the first question. Give 2 examples of each of the following. Same question given in the textbook, but we write here different things. Okay? 5 already given in your textbook, others we write here. Now, what we write here? Give 2 example of pulses. Means you have to write here name of pulses here. Okay? Now, number 2. Spices. Name of 2 spices. Write this side. Now, number 3. Oil seeds. Number 4. Beverages. Okay, so start writing. Write any 2 names of pulses here. What you write as you wish. If you want to write what is the name of the, first you tell me the name. Pulses. If you want to read your book and write, I am writing here for you. Okay, but if you want to write any other name, okay, you write. Pulses. Name of the pulses are her. Okay. Now moon, Urad, and Tuvar also. As you wish. Write the name. Now next spices. Write the any name of 2 spices. Cloves and turmeric. Write here black pepper, white pepper and garlic, ginger. These are the spices. Now oil seeds means name of the food item that give us oil. Name of the seed, that is groundnut, sunflower. Now beverages, this is tea and coffee. Okay. Fifth number I am writing here. That is cereals. Write here name of 2 cereals. That is rice and wheat. Corn. student, when you read this thing, you have to learn the spelling. Okay? If in the exam or anybody asks you question, give two example or tell me the name of the pulses. If you learn the spelling and if you know about it, automatically you reply. Means arhar, moon, udar, spices, cloves, turmeric, oilseed, groundnut, sunflower, beverages, tea and coffee. Now the cereals, rice and wheat. These are the example of this is the question number 2. This is the fill in the blanks. Look student, this question not given in the textbook. This is the extra question, but that is related to this chapter, journey of the food. Clear? Now this is the number 1. Number 1 is plants are the major sources of what we feel here. Think about it. Plants are the major source of wheat, rice, and maize are what we feel here. Think about it. Add colors and flavor to the food. Now the number 4. Tea, coffee, and cocoa are look here students, we wrote here 4 sentences. You think about it. Plants are The major source of plants are the major source of what we get from the plants. Write the name of that thing. What we get from the plant. And this chapter related to which thing? Think about that. Otherwise, I write the correct option here. But I give you 2 minutes. Think about that. What we feel here? What we feel here? What is the correct option? Now the number 2. Wheat, rice and maize are. Wheat, rice and maize are. Which types of food item these wheat, rice and maize? What is the name of this food item? We give the name. And these are the major source of carbohydrate. But we have to give them name. These are the food grain also. And what is the another name? Wheat, rice and maize are. What we feel here? Plants are the major source of what we feel here? Food. We get food from the plant. Now the number 2. Wheat, rice and maize are what we feel here? Cereals. These are the cereals. Now the number 3. Add color and flavor to the food. Which thing add the color and flavor in our food? What we write here? That is spices. Spices add color and flavor to the food. Now the number 4. Tea, coffee and cocoa are. Which types of food item this? Tea, coffee and cocoa. These are the beverages. What we feel here? Beverages. Okay. So this is the 1, 2 and 3. Plants are the major source of food. Now the wheat, rice and maize are cereals. Number 3. Spices add color and flavor to the food. Tea, coffee and cocoa are beverages. Now write number 5. The journey of a crop starts in the farmers what we feel here, where farmer growing their crop, right here field, F-I field. usually grown in which place? Basically the fruits grown कहाँ उगाए जाते हैं? That is the orchard. This is the place. Name of the place orchard. मीन्स एक बगीचा लगाते हैं ना. The name of that place is orchard. Fruits are usually grown in orchard. Now the 7th number. Farmer first prepare the field by which process? When the farmer start preparing their field for the growing crop, first thing what the farmer doing for growing crops? Plugging. That is the plugging. P-L-O-U-G-H-I-N-G. Plugging. By this process, farmer turn the soil. Okay. So student, this is your fill in the blanks. 5th number is the journey of a crop start in the farmer's field. Fruits are usually grown in orchard. Now the 7th number, farmers first prepare the field by plugging. Student, your new words not completed here. In the next lecture, we wrote number 8, 9 and 10. We wrote 15 fill in the blanks. Okay, 15. But I finish my lecture here. In the next lecture, we completed this work, and we also write the other extra questions also. Means match the column, answer in one word. Okay. So read these sentences again and again and learn the spelling. And read the chapter also. Okay. Bye bye.